In today's world, the power of media cannot be overstated. From traditional forms of media such as television and newspapers to the more modern mediums of social media and streaming platforms, mass communication has an immense influence on the way we perceive the world around us. In this video, we will explore the ways in which media shapes our worldview and the potential consequences of this power. First and foremost, it is important to recognize that media is not a neutral force. Rather, media is created and disseminated by individuals and organizations with their own agendas, biases, and values. This means that the content we consume through media is often framed in a certain way that promotes a particular perspective or narrative. For example, news outlets may choose to focus on certain stories while ignoring others, or social media algorithms may prioritize content that aligns with our pre-existing beliefs. These framing effects can have a profound impact on our understanding of the world and the way we make decisions. In addition to framing effects, media also has the power to shape our beliefs and values more directly. For example, media can serve as a source of socialization, teaching us what behaviors are acceptable or desirable in society. This can be seen in the way that media often portrays certain groups of people, such as women, people of color, or LGBTQ+ individuals. Media can also reinforce stereotypes and biases by perpetuating certain narratives or portraying certain groups in a negative light. By doing so, media can shape our beliefs about these groups and influence the way we interact with them in the real world. Furthermore, media has the power to influence our emotions and behaviors. Research has shown that exposure to violent or sexually explicit media can increase aggressive behavior and decrease empathy, while exposure to positive media can have the opposite effect. Similarly, media can influence our political beliefs and behaviors by shaping our perceptions of different candidates or issues. This can be seen in the way that media outlets often endorse particular candidates or political parties, or in the way that political ads are designed to appeal to our emotions rather than our rationality. Finally, it is important to recognize that media does not exist in a vacuum. Rather, media is part of a broader social and cultural context that shapes the way we consume and interpret media messages. For example, our personal experiences, social identities, and cultural backgrounds can all influence the way we perceive and respond to media content. Similarly, media is often consumed in the context of social interactions, such as discussions with friends or family members, which can further shape our interpretations and beliefs. In conclusion, the power of media is vast and far-reaching. From framing effects to socialization, from emotional influence to political persuasion, media shapes our worldview in countless ways. As consumers of media, it is important to be aware of these influences and to approach media content with a critical eye. By doing so, we can better understand the power of media and its potential consequences for our lives and our society.